name is Anita Rahma. I'm from class 12 Social Sciences 3 SMA Negeri 1 Salatiga. So, I will show you how to make roti.
Materials and tools: spoon, a glass, tea bag, sugar, and hot water. Step 1. Put some sugar based on how you like it. 2. Put a tea bag into the glass. Next, pour the hot water into the glass.
I told myself I wouldn't be here, back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting.
4. Stir the tea until purely mixed.
5. Wait until the water turns brown. 'And your tea goes best with cookie and some snacks.